morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter P. Letter P is the next letter after letter O, and its sound is P as panda.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, we can see a lovely panda. He is sitting near the pine tree. He is eating popcorns. Panda, popcorns, pine tree are friends of P. Do you know some more friends of P? Good job! Policeman, paintings, parrot, penguin are some more friends of P. Children, in this lesson, we learned about a panda. A panda is lovely animal. It mostly lives in a forest. Can a panda live in a hot weather? Good job! A panda cannot live in hot weather. Pandas live happily in cold climate. Children, some popcorns are fallen on the grass. Can you count them? Good job! 6 popcorns are fallen on the grass. Let's learn to write letter P. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.